phone way. In case it will be asked question. No, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, that. Yeah, live that. Oh, the man.
This is
My overall microphone. And giving your feedback.
it's showing.
We'll be back.
Oh, we better. I'm not seeing
Oh,
it.
yeah, two. This is one. Oh,
What do I see it?
we'll be back on here.
Oh.
I'm on a thumbs up. I'm on a thumbs
Yeah,
up.
Mama. Am I supposed to see the people like?
What's this? A couple four.
Mine shows 5.
Hello. Hi. Where are you watching us from? My location is Tennessee. Where are you from? Who's watching? Say hello. Mention okay.
Or 7. How do you see the people? Why can I see the people?
7.
No, can't you see like who's online?
David.
Oh.
And that's the word casa.
Oh.
chat. Somewhere. It's usually chat somewhere. Let's see. 2 rows to go. I lied. 3.
I think because you had to know time to buy now.
Yeah? What time are you? About 5.
Yeah.
Wow, boy.
8.
Usually, no, yeah.
4.
Ah, 4 and it's a 9 on the
Yeah, man said a friend in the J, yeah, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So all those ones can come out. Maybe by 5:15. So let's start doing it by 5:30.
No, to the line.
Go for about 17.
Hello. Where are you watching from? Good evening. Happy New Year. We made it, y'all. We made it. 2025. Happy New Year to you guys. Glad to still be here. We went to the mall a day after Christmas on the 26th. It was ridiculous. Hey,
Crowded.
it was so crazy crowded. And it didn't even feel like that because it's a big mall in Connecticut. But when it was time to leave, traffic, it was painful. I said, what am I even doing here? I didn't even buy anything. Just my daughter wanted to go to the mall, so we went to the mall.
Connecticut?
Yeah. Farmington or something. Some mall. No, was it Farmington? Some mall. It was just it was big.
Like a small place. Oh.
Big mall. But coming out of that place was so painful. Traffic was crazy.
Yeah, around holidays and going to places like that is crazy.
And I'm like, what are you all doing here on the 26th? Returning gifts or what?
Probably.
Or maybe this is sale.
I bet people are returning gifts.
Gee.
The Costco. People returned their Christmas tree like it was for rent.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so wrong.
It's so wrong on all levels.
So they buy it probably on Christmas Day, put the lights up,
and then take it
back to 26. Happy New Year, Lena. Thank you for coming. Happy New Year, sis.
stop my scalp from like smelling within 3 days after shampoo.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Like I don't know home for a while.
Sulfur, no, you know it has a smell, right?
Oh, sulfur does have a smell.
Yeah, so you probably smelling the sulfur.
Gotcha. Well, yeah, makes sense. It's like sulfur mixed with sweat.
Yeah.
I'm like, I just watched this a few days ago. Why is it smelling?
Because I definitely don't have that issue.
Maybe I even asked a friend. We were like, no, when's the last for about a week or something, even 2. I'm like, yeah, mine within 3 days. Yeah, what you say makes sense. That probably it could be the sulfur mixed with sweat.
Mm-hmm. The sulfur has a funny smell.
It doesn't. It's 29,
You know, yeah, I'm going for back.
Like, or a subscription in a notify one another.
I'm going for no. Nah, I didn't suppose say it would do. Or feed be like one live and go ten or what. And say just a scroll up, it won't be our live. But usually I send to his subscribers.
And then I'll be so happy New Year.
I know. Let me catch a Happy New Year. The diehards, you know. The OGs.
From day one.
The OGs. I feel like my angle is bad, like my arm is in the way. I think I should have y'all here. This side. What do you think? This angle might be better.
So when I away, you know, to zoom in whilst they're still doing it, how do they do it?
Live now.
I don't know if it's live or some like you think there's another person taking the videos whilst you're doing it.
So editing too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
A zoom na that part no. Then you zoom back out when you edit yeah.
Just put it together. That.
Nini bi no or live na Marisha no na kojo besia for yibi. Na live na wala aba. No, so you know what? Controversy. Sometimes controversy does attract people. You know, I think that's probably it was probably a game because I didn't understand why he's live and kind of bashing, like some of the girls be like, "Oh, you're so pretty," he said, "Oh, thanks," and in one breath he's saying something like, "You guys know you want to beat us?
Oh,
we have the lingo, we have the cool sayings, and we're this and we're that, and
yeah, I think there's any publicity now.
And I felt like, maybe it's just for views because
Yeah, come on.
I don't understand.
No publicity.
And they're using the B word. And you want to beat us because we're the cool and we this. But I'm like, wait a minute. Why are you bashing people on here who are watching you live and giving you support?
One of more views too.
So I figured, you know what?
Go for back comments.
When people, yes, there'll be a lot of comments. YouTube will push it, So controversy, yeah. Publicity stunt. It's like later I was thinking about this. This whole thing didn't make sense to me. Why was he being like that? But now I get it.
Yeah. So you net
views is views, whether positive or negative, huh?
Oh, it was no publicity is bad publicity.
Yes. Oh Lord.
As long as you're getting your views and your clicks.
Isn't that kind of like making your money an ethical way of making your money?
Sister.
Oh, I'm just saying, like, social media is not an office. I get it. But, like, if you will not when people do bad things in the office to make money, then why would you do bad things?
People will tell you that ethics is subjective. Yeah. What may be ethical in one place may be unethical in another place. So ethics is just very, very subjective. I think also it also depends on the culture. So I don't know. Design that. Does the end justify the means? Does the end justify the means? Design don't original plaque.
Right?
Our original plaque doesn't matter.
Guys, speaking of plaques, this year my goal is to definitely clock 20K on YouTube. But my dream is to hold that 100,000 subscriber plaque and go to sleep with it like a teddy bear. That's my dream. Go to bed with that plaque, like 100,000 subs. My people. I probably will go to bed with that plaque, holding like a teddy bear.
You definitely will.
Like, yes.
From year to year.
Yes.
Like, finally, that's happened.
Finally, oh. But for now, gradually going. Goal is 20K. 2025. 20K and beyond. So share. When you watch a video and it helps you, share with somebody else, please. So it can, you can go out there and hopefully help somebody else. Especially if you are a lock DIYer or your loctician doesn't know how to reattach locks, you can share some of my videos with your loctician so they can empower themselves and learn how to reattach locks. I'm always learning on University of YouTube anyway. And this is our last one.
Yay. You done?
Sure thing. All right, let's do a grit check, shall we? How clean are we? Great check. Great check. Did we get it?
Perfect.
You see it?
I didn't see, but I know it's perfect.
Perfecto. Let me move this one over. So yes. Let's do the back. Let's do a grit check on the back. You like?
I like.
Do you like? Yes, no, maybe. Good check. Doesn't matter how low. Keep it consistent and clean all around. I'm there, you know. You look at crew. So me and him. I don't.
It's only pedocody. Does it look good? Does it look nice?
Oh, I have it, but I can just set it in place.
If it wants to come down, just laying it down.
Okay, so you don't fight it.
Yeah, I don't fight.
Take this down. We're gonna change the line. What's that? You know, I better move now.
Yeah, this seems nice.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. This is so lovely and very neat. Thank you, Elena. We're all about the neat reties. Man, I am so gonna be jealous of your hair. I can already tell. The thickness, the fullness. That's crazy. 1 year has passed, right? Yeah, you just passed
Just
1 year.
November
Yeah, and
was
it's
1 year.
changing like that. Wow. Alrighty. Okay. Awful. Alright, guys. We just finished. She has a long drive, so she's gonna go. And I'm going to sign off. Adios. Thank you. Join me again tomorrow.